Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening. Can you turn on your video?
Yes.
Okay. Hi. You're so cute. Okay, so I am your new teacher. I am teacher Jessa. Okay?
Yes.
Oh, may I know what's the name of my student?
My name is Hui.
So I will call you Hui, right?
Yes.
Very good. You're so cute. How old are you, Hui?
I'm 7 years old.
Wow, 7 years old and very good in English already. Wow. I saw your video with your other teachers and I can say that you are good already in speaking English. Wow. So, do you understand me?
Yes.
Okay, so since I am your new teacher, if there are times that I'll be fast in talking or speaking, you can tell teacher, okay?
Yes.
If there is something that you don't understand, I want you to tell me so that I can help you learn. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so are you excited for today? Are you excited to learn today? Oh, yes. So, again, I am teacher Jessa and my student is Hui. Again, what's the name of your teacher?
Yes.
What's the name of your teacher? Can you repeat my name? It's
Yes.
teacher Jessa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am your new teacher, teacher Jessa, and it's
Yes,
so
sir.
nice to meet you. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's start our class.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so for me to start our class, I will share screen with you. Okay?
Yes.
There. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, there. There is a sound. Okay. So, now, our lesson is we are already in Unit 32. Okay? The QC told me that your lesson for tonight is Unit 22, and that is, what is this?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! And this one, what is this? This is a
Birthday cake.
birthday cake. Okay. Do you know the song Happy Birthday song? Do you know the song Happy Birthday? There is a song. Happy Birthday. It is song, you don't know. So here, listen, here in the Philippines, I am teacher Jessa. I am from the Philippines and I am also a teacher here in the morning. Okay, I am a private school teacher and every time there is one student that will have a birthday, we will sing to him or her a birthday song. We will greet him, happy birthday. Do you know when is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday
My
is
birthday.
29.
29th of what month?
January.
Okay, so you will say, my birthday is on January 29. Again?
Yes.
Okay, can you say it again? My birthday is on January 29th.
My birthday is
Is
January.
on. Or you'll say, okay.
Is on 29.
Okay, again, you will say, listen to teacher first. My birthday is on January 29. Again.
My happy birthday.
My birthday, not happy birthday. My birthday
My birthday January
is on.
is on the 29.
Oh, so we will use is on. You will use the word on because it talks about date like January, February. So there should be on. Okay, let's say on January 29, on February 14, there should be on. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's proceed with our lesson. Okay, tell teacher if I am fast, okay? So that I can minimize my talking. Okay,
Yes.
tell me. Okay, thank you. Okay, now. Okay, so here I will show you 3 pictures. Okay, look at the screen and I will ask questions every time I'll show a picture. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, this one. What is that?
Is birthday cake.
Oh, you will say it is a birthday cake. Again?
It is a birthday cake.
Oh, very good. So very good. Birthday cake. Do you know what is this N for? Do you know what is this N? What's the meaning of this?
Yes.
Oh, what is N? What's the meaning of N? That is? It is a
noun.
Noun. Very good. A noun. You're a smart kid because you know what is a noun. So, may I ask you, what is a noun? If you don't know, you can ask teacher. I am here to help you. What is a noun?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. So, let's see here. A noun, it is the name of a person. Me, teacher, is a person. Huy is a person. So, a noun could be a person, a place. Okay, you know what is a place? Park, market, shopping mall, house. Oh, it's a noun. Okay, place, things. Things like your phone, like your television, like your table. So what are examples of things? Give me examples of things.
I don't know.
Things. Anything in your house. What can you see in your house? Those are things.
Cupboard.
Oh, what else? What else?
Bed.
Bed. Yes, bed is a thing. Another one. Last one. Last one. Things
Picture.
around you. Huh? What is it again?
Picture.
A picture. Yes, a picture is an example of things. So those are some examples of noun. Next, this one. What is that? Okay, look at the picture. Just tell me, what do you see on the picture? Look at the picture. What's it? What is there on the picture? What is that? Just tell me anything you see. A what?
Birthday.
A party. Let's try to check if it's a party. A party. Next picture, the last one. This one. What is that? What is that? If it's your birthday, you will receive like this. What's the name of this? It starts with letter G. Starts with letter G.
Gift.
Gift. Yes. Or letter P. Present. Okay. A gift could be a present. Again, ha? Gift and present are the same. Okay. You can use gift or you can use present. So you will say, I receive a present.
I receive a present.
Again, I receive a present.
I receive is present. A present.
I receive a present. This one. How about the word party? I attended a party. Again? Attended.
I can parted.
Attended. Look at me. Attended.
Attended.
Okay, a party.
A party.
Oh, when you say I attended a party, meaning you join a party with your friends, with your family, or your neighbors. That's a party, meaning you went to a party. Next, birthday cake. You will say, okay, can you make a sentence from the word birthday party? You will say, I have
a birthday cake.
Okay, good job. Again. I like it. Again. I have
a birthday cake.
Oh, very good. Good job. You're so smart. I like it. Okay, now I have here again 3 pictures. Let's guess what's this. Oh, what is that? It's 2017, 2016, 2020. What is that? It starts with letter Y. Again?
Y is.
It starts with letter Y. Do you know or you don't know?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. So this one is what we called as year. Again, what's the name of this?
Year.
Year. Okay. What is the year today? What's the year? So say it is?
It is a year.
Oh, what year is today? 2017? It's 2020.
2020.
2020. Very good. Next year. What is the year next year?
2021.
Oh, 2021. Good job. Very good. You got the point with that. Very good. So next, how about this one? One hand and another hand. Let's say, for example, it's your birthday. I will give you a present. It starts with letter G. G. This hand here is bringing gift. And he will blank to this person. He will, it starts with letter G. G. I don't know. Let's try to check. What is that? Give.
Giving.
Giving. So if it's whose birthday, whose friend will give. Give means you'll give something. Give gift, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay, next. This one. Oh, this is happy birthday. Okay, can you make a sentence from the word year? You will say it is.
It is a year.
Oh, it is a year. How about give?
It is a gift.
No, I will.
I will giving.
No, I will give a present. Again.
I giving a present.
No, I will give.
I will give
A?
a present.
Oh, I will give a present. Look at this one. This one is letter N and this one is letter V. V means verb. Can you say the word verb?
Verb.
Oh, when we say verb, those are words that shows action. You will move. Okay. Anything that moves. Okay. Example. The word run. Run. You know what's run? You know what is run? Run? Yes, run. Do you know how to run? Hui, do you know how to run? Run, like this. Oh.
Yes.
Ah, yes. Okay, so words that moves. Let's say, for example, run, eat, read. What else? Exercise. Diba? Look at that. They are moving. So words that moves are what we call as. What's it? Verb. Again?
Verb.
Oh,
Verb.
words that moves. It shows action. They are called as this one. What's it? Verb.
Verb.
Okay, next. This one is happy birthday. You sing happy birthday to you. It's like that here in the Philippines. We sing that song if it is a birthday celebration. Okay, now here. Okay, here. I have here a picture. Okay? What can you see in the picture? What do you think are they doing here?
I see. I see. A girl by mom.
Oh. Okay, what else? What are the things here?
Table.
A table. Very good. What else?
Sausage.
A what?
Sausage.
Oh, a sausage. What else? Hamburger. So yummy. What else?
Lemonade.
A lemonade. Yes. So refreshing. What else?
Balloon.
A balloon. Do you like balloon?
Yes.
Ah, yes, I like a balloon. So now you are going to listen and color. You know how to color? You know how to color?
Yes.
Okay. Now here, I want you to listen carefully and follow what it says. Okay? Can you follow? Yes? Okay, here, listen. Okay, it says here, a blue balloon on the tree. It's already colored. Okay, listen again.
I don't see it.
You didn't see
I
it?
don't see. No, I don't listen.
Okay, listen. You cannot listen? You cannot hear?
No.
Okay, wait. I'll share. Okay. Very good that you told me. Okay, there.
1,
Oh, can you hear it?
Yes.
There is? Okay, very good. Very good.
Look at the balloon under the table. Can I color it?
yes, color it orange.
Okay.
Okay. What is the first task? Can you see a balloon under the table?
Yes.
Okay. Color it. What color with the balloon under the table?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. Can you color it orange?
I don't have a orange.
Ah, you don't have an orange. But you know where is the... What do you have there? What do you have there?
Black, red, yellow, green, and blue.
Okay. Can you just use blue?
Okay.
Since you don't have orange, just use blue. Okay, come on. Color it blue. Okay. All right. Okay, that's enough. It's okay. Very good that you know, okay? Now, listen again. Okay, listen. Let's continue listening. Very good. You got the point. Very good. Next.
Now there's an orange balloon under the table.
2, find the balloon on the girl's t-shirt.
Sorry, which balloon?
The one on the girl's t-shirt.
Oh, yes. I can see it now. Can I color it green?
Green? Okay.
Okay, what's the next task? What's the next task? The balloon on the girl's t-shirt. Can you see the balloon on the girl's t-shirt?
Yes.
Okay, so color it with what color?
Green.
Green. Okay, come on, color it. Green. Okay. Let me check if you know where is it. All right. Good job. You saw it. Very good. You have a sharp eyes and a sharp ears. Okay, next. Let's proceed. Okay?
Yes.
3. Now, look at that boy with the balloon.
I can see him. He's wearing a yellow shirt.
Yes, he is. Color that balloon red.
Okay, what was the third task? What was the third task? Find the boy with a balloon. What is the color of the shirt of the boy? What's the color of the shirt? Yellow. So, what should you color to the boy's balloon?
Red.
Red. Okay, let me check if you know what is red. Come on, color the balloon with red. All right. Good job. Excellent. Very good. Okay, next. Let us proceed.
Red. Great. I love that color.
4. And can you see the birthday girl's hat?
Yes. That hat has got a balloon on it too.
I know. Color that balloon
yellow.
Okay. Can you see a girl? The birthday girl? Yes? Do you see the birthday girl? Ah, okay. What should you color to the balloon on the birthday girl's hat? What should you color? Color it with? With?
Yellow.
Ah, yellow. Come on, color it with yellow. Okay, color it with yellow. Ah, good job. Very good. Excellent. Okay, next. Next.
Okay, yellow's my favorite color.
5,
And there's a balloon on the wall. Oh, yes. It's really big. Yes, it is. Color that balloon pink, please.
Okay, find the balloon on the wall and color it with what color? What color?
Black.
It's pink. Okay, do you have pink?
No.
Oh no, what color do you have there?
Black.
Okay, black. Okay, now find the balloon on the wall and color it with black since you don't have pink. So I'll give you black. Come on. Ah, you found it. Good job. Come on, color it properly.
Yes.
Okay, very good. You got it.
Pink. Okay. I'm doing that now.
Okay, so here. Very good. Now, I have here. So, where do you think the children are? Where are they? They are in
a garden.
So we'll say the children are in the garden. Say it.
They are children.
No, you'll say.
On the
Okay, the children are in the garden. Again.
The children is on the garden.
You'll say the children are in the garden. Again.
The children are in a garden.
Again, what happened? You will say, okay, listen carefully to teacher because teacher will say it again, okay? Listen. You will say, the children are in the garden. Again.
The children are in the garden.
Very good. Good job. So, there. How many children can you see? Huh?
6 children.
Again, how many children are there?
6 children.
Oh, 6 children. So you will say, there are 6 children. Again?
There are 6 children.
Okay, that's how you say it, okay? Next. Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday? Do you know who's the birthday person? Is it a girl or a boy?
A girl.
A girl. So we say it is a girl's birthday. Again.
A girl's birthday.
It is a girl's birthday. Again.
It is a girl's birthday.
A girl's birthday. Next. How many balloons can you see?
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, so you will say, I see 6 balloons. Again.
Balloon.
Oh, balloons. Again.
Balloons.
Oh, there should be S because it's many. If it's only one, it should be balloon. But if it's many, then it should be balloons. Okay? Don't forget. Okay. Now, where is the blue balloon? The balloon that you did not color, huh? The one you did not color. So, where can you find the blue balloon?
The balloon.
The blue balloon
The blue balloon
is
on the tree.
good job. Very good sentence construction. So the balloon is on the tree. Okay, now.
Đây là orange
Here.
nhưng mà con không được.
Okay. All right. So here. So which balloon, again, which of the balloons did you not color? Okay. There is one balloon there that you did not color. Where is it?
Under the shoe boy.
Oh, under the, your answer is under the shoes of the boy?
Yes.
Oh, so you will say the balloon near to the boy. Again, the balloon
Balloon near
to
the boy.
Oh, so it should not be under the shoes because look at the balloon. It's not found under. It's just near to the boy. Okay? There. Very good. So, which of your colors you did not use? You have, I know you have a lot of colors there. So, what are the colors you did not use here in coloring? What are the colors you did not use?
Orange and pink.
Oh, orange and pink. Yeah, because you don't have pink and orange. So here you also have gray, the purple, the brown, and the black. But the black, you used the black already, okay? Okay, now. Here. Wait. Okay, here. Listen and draw a line. So again, I will ask you to listen. Okay, which is the cake? Okay, which is the cake? So here, put the cake on the table. So draw a line going to the table. You know where is the cake?
Yes.
Okay, draw a line of the cake going to the table. Okay? Okay, draw a line. Okay.
Nối đây.
Line.
Nối gì hả?
Nối xong cái bánh đặt ở đâu? Đây này, put the cake on the table này. Đặt như nào?
Okay. Just line.
Câu này. Put the cake on the table này. Nối đi, con nối vào đây. Không, nối cái bánh này vào đấy.
The cake. Here is the cake. Okay, good job. Very good. Now, next task. Oh, very good. Look at you got it correctly. Good job. Next task. So, which is the horse? You know where's the horse? You know where is the horse?
Oh.
Horse is here. Yeah. What's the color of the horse?
Blue.
Blue. Have you seen a real horse? A real horse? You saw a real horse?
No.
No. Okay. Maybe in the future you will see a real horse and you will ride on it and it's so enjoyable. So here. So put the horse next to the small table. Okay. Find the small table and put the horse to the small table. Come on. Draw a line from the horse going to the small table.
Near cơ mà.
Okay. There you go. Okay, are you done? So let me check if your answer is correct. Okay, very good. You got it. Very good. You understand it. Next, which is the jacket? So, what's the color of the jacket? Color?
Color pink and
Color
white.
pink and white. Now, here, put the jacket on the woman. Not the children, but on the woman. Come on. Draw a line from the jacket going to the woman. Ah, there you go. Good job. So you got 3 correct answers and you get excellent point. Excellent means good score, perfect score, no mistake. That's why you are so good. Next. Okay, here, erase first your drawing. Okay, there. Very good that you know. So, answer the question. So, I have questions here. So, here, first question. What is this?
This is a cake.
Ah, this is a cake. Oh, or very good. Or you will say it is a cake. Again.
It is a cake.
Okay, next question. Okay, do you like cake?
Yes.
Yes. Oh. Next, what do you eat for lunch?
Noodle.
Oh, you say, I ate
noodle.
Oh, I ate noodle. Okay. Next. Here. What's this?
This is a shirt.
A shirt. Look at this one. Let me check if it's a shirt.
Jacket.
A jacket. Okay. Have you got a jacket? Do you have a jacket? Yes. Oh, yes, of course. So, what clothes are you wearing? What are you wearing right now? You'll say, I am wearing. What are you wearing? Show me your shirt. Show me, what are you wearing?
Shirt.
Oh, so you will say, I am wearing a shirt. Again?
I am wearing a shirt.
Oh, very good. You will say, if someone will ask you, Hoy, what are you wearing? You will say, I am wearing a shirt. Okay? You got it?
I am wearing a shirt.
Oh, good job. Good job. Very good. How about this? What's this?
This is a horse.
Oh, so it is a horse. So, can you ride a horse? Oh, no, because you are still young. But if you are getting older, then you can ride a horse, okay? In the near future, okay?
Yes.
Okay, next. What's your favorite animal?
Our favorite animal is dog.
Oh, so you will say, my favorite animal is a dog. Again. Sir Ann. Saan mo ni Char? Oh, pero wala man ko internet. Di. Yung saan mo ko na eh? I-chat, babe.